Shoulder external rotation with a resistance band is a great way to strengthen your rotator cuff, specifically that infraspinatus muscle that lives in the back of the shoulder blade. Now, to perform this exercise, you're going to need a band and a towel. To anchor the band, a great way to do this is using a doorknob. So you're going to take the band, you're going to wrap it right around the back of that doorknob. You're going to thread it right through the door and close the door. So that's going to anchor our band. Our towel roll is going to be a great way to put that rotator cuff in a more optimal position where you're going to get the most out of the exercise. So roll up that towel roll, put it right underneath your armpit, and we're going to take the band. We're going to tension it as much as you can control. So for this exercise, what you'd like to see is that shoulder to remain in a more neutral position. You want to avoid it dumping forward, okay? Because that's going to lose that control of that rotator cuff and can put a little excessive strain on it. So the first thing, shoulder set back. You don't have to retract fully, but just keep it neutral, prevent it from translating forward. Second, we're going to keep an eye out for this wrist. A lot of people with rotator cuff weakness, you'll see when they perform this exercise, they're going to extend their wrist, and that's just a compensation for weakness at the shoulder. So keeping that wrist nice and neutral, straight with your forearm. When we rotate out, we want enough tension where we feel some resistance, but not too much tension where we're not able to rotate the arm to about 30 to 45 degrees outwards. So here's 0 degrees, neutral. We want to be able to externally rotate about 30 to 45 degrees with really good control. So, to recap, shoulder back and neutral, wrist is straight, enough tension where we feel some resistance, rotating out about 30 to 45 degrees, little pause, nice and slow back to the stomach, and rotating out. Avoiding pushing, straightening the arm. Elbow should remain bent the entire time, about 90 degrees. Rotate out, little pause, nice and slow back in. You'll feel a bit of a burn here, right around that back front side of your shoulder. And that's that rotator cuff working.